part 2.
This one's not afraid of you.
Here you go. Look what I got. Look what I got for you.
No, we're just missing that other white bird that comes in here. Sand cranes?
Oh, yeah. Evil looking bird. There you go. There you go. Huh? Oh wait, they're sneaking up behind me. I don't like that. Oh wait, you're coming up here too? I'm not sure if I'm liking this. Here you go. You can't take your eyes off. Oh, are some more coming? Oh, I got some more down there. Oh, whoa, more came flying in. The word is spreading. There you go. There you go. Michael, you want to feed the bird? Come here. Hey, Michael. Come here.
Get the hell out of here.
Come here. Drop it.
Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
Feed the bird.
Feed the bird. He doesn't want to drop it. Drop it. Before they come after us.
Throw it. Throw it. Hey.
Where's the other piece?
Oh, God.
No,
No.
this isn't.
No more wood storks. We'll see you all later. Go have fun.